We're back with John. John, what is a record cleaning machine and why do we need it?
I think these days there's a whole culture, used vinyl culture, where people are really digging up old records. They're digging at garage sales and flea markets and basements. These are dirty old records. And today we have some great deep cleaning machines to clean these. The most affordable machine is the spin clean machine, the machine we sell. It's a very, very good little machine. I consider it kind of a glorified sink cleaning. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I clean records in my sink for many, many years, and it's an excellent way. Now, the thing about the spin clean is it's a very manual machine, you know, where you sort of spin your record through a bath of water and you dry it manually with a cloth. Or you can air dry it, and you can do a combination of both. But it's still a very good way to clean records. It's cost effective when you consider the price of some of the more modern vacuum and ultrasonic machines. But it's still an excellent way, and we sell a lot of those machines.
Thanks again, John. That was enlightening. Next, we'll be talking about more advanced options available for record cleaning.